I'm Paul Geidel with Wesco. I'm a telecom manager. One of the biggest challenges we had when I came in was we have phone systems out there across the globe, and you name the system, we have it. With all these multiple systems, we have multiple maintenance contracts, we have multiple upgrades we'd have to do to these systems. Since COVID happened, we could provide them a different way of doing business. From a technology standpoint, everything is going to the cloud. So they came in and they asked me, we need to go out and research some different companies. We needed one solution that we can manage centrally out of the US to support our end users. We also needed something that we could, we still have people out there use fax machines. And they want to keep those fax numbers, and a lot of the carriers now are saying no more POTS lines, we want to do away with those. I looked at some other competitors, Microsoft and Cisco, to look at their products as well. So we went through the whole process of going through demos, doing proof of concepts, pricing, things like that with Avaya Cloud Office. Once we showed how it integrates with Microsoft Teams, we're going to do some things with Microsoft Dynamics in the future. It integrates with that. It seemed like it was the best product for what we needed. And we've rolled out so far over 2,000 licenses to our end users with great success. So we've been able to port those phone numbers over to the Avaya Cloud Office. With the Avaya Cloud Office, we've been able to give them flexibility. That was something that we really needed for them so they can work from wherever. We still have people that are hybrid. We still have people that go into the office. We have people that work from home full time. So with this new technology, we've been able to give them something allows them to do their job wherever they're at. So with the Avaya Cloud Office, we've been able to not have to worry about having a technician up on a Saturday night doing an upgrade to a system, because everything's pushed to the phones automatically and the system's upgraded automatically. There's no more, sending an email to the whole company saying, oh, okay, at 4 a.m. we're going to lose phone service because we do an upgrade. So to me, I've been able to support this system with a smaller staff because of the simplicity of all the upgrades it does behind the scenes, and even upgrades the firmware on the phones at the locations automatically, which is great for us. And our end users, especially the managers of these groups, they love the analytics that are built into the system. They give them the reports that they need, showing how many calls are being made, how many calls go to voicemails. They say they come in next morning, they know how many calls their inside sales rep, their outside sales reps made. The reliability, when we looked at the product, it was sold to us as 5 nines reliability. Normally, when you lose your network connection, you lose your phone to your location. As long as you have the mobile app on your phone, you're still able to make and receive your phone calls in that brief time when that system's out or those connections are out. We've actually had it happen, and the users love it. We've converted 2,500 users over the system so far since last July. Our goal by the end of this year is up to 7,000 licenses. And next year, our plan is to get over 10,000. We've also implemented it in Australia. We have some users in Ireland now that we just brought up. We have the UK. We're looking at Mexico City. And we also have a couple users we're spin up in Singapore. So we've been able to sell this as a worldwide. When we decided to implement this, we needed a partner to help us out with getting this done. So we looked locally in the Pittsburgh area, and we found Advent Communications. So they've taken on the task, and they know that the goal is to get to end of this year 7,000 licenses, and they've done a great job with getting us to that point. And they see, the opportunity going forward to continue to work with Wesco. Our partnership with Avaya and Advent Communications has been, it's been great to work with those two companies to get this done. With Avaya Technologies, we're starting to build experiences for our end users.